Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to change video opacity in Davinci Resolve. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. To change video opacity in Resolve, first make sure you're in the Edit tab at the bottom and that you have your video clip inserted into the timeline. Click on the clip and then go to the Inspector tab in the top right. Within here, make sure video is selected at the top and then look for the section called Composite. Expand this section and you should now see an opacity option, and you can use the slider to decrease or increase the opacity of this clip. And so that is how to change video opacity in Davinci Resolve. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your Windows PC. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.